hostages now! Free!
Fuck me, where are you going? Oh, fuck off. You alright? Are you alright? You missed the turn, you hit the sign back there. Oh, fucking Jesus Christ.
So today we have the information number Tuesday each month, right? So they have a meeting next week, and then they won't meet again until after.
Fucking idiot.
So I think what they were hoping was that this inflation number wouldn't be so high.
Oh, very clever. Got a lane to the exit.
What was that?
Under a $108 million election promise, he's in Perth today. Amber Heard is testifying for a second day in the defamation case brought by her ex.
Oh, straight through the red.
The actress
One for you,
was
Scotties.
teary and emotional in the stand, claiming she was assaulted.
Where you going, stupid? Can you read the thing? Stupid yellow sign? Yeah, stupid yellow sign. And it's a stupid idiot driving it. Wow, I'll take that. The fuck?
That's what they were demonstrating. They got Tora to climb in and do that.
Yeah.
They started it with.
Oh, that was lucky.
Yeah.
That was a full tire.
Yeah.
Had a rim in it.
That could have been.
That was very lucky, mate. They could have bounced my car off the back of your truck.
No, that wouldn't have. That wouldn't have done that. That would have just flipped.
Yeah. I used to live in Geelong, just moving to Cardiff.
Turn your fucking lights on, idiot! Headlights! Turn your headlights on! Headlights!
Do you speak any English?
Thank you! Fucking idiot! What a fucking ass clown. Only a little bit short over the line, mate.
That he was elected to basically leave everything alone, and then he's like, what if we spend $4 trillion in extra money for no reason at all to build back Padangana?
The snooze autumn sale is now on. Say nothing.
That was only a little bit red.
Don't wanna let you know you fucked up. You fucked up. Yeah.
Oi! Fuck! Why did he get...
Where's that guy that came over there? It's not building or... Where's this guy parking? No indicator. Get around! What a fuck was he? You know what this too?
Fucking shitting me. You fucking moron. What a fucking muppet. Should have been wiped on the curtains.
What a freaking donut.
What the fuck are you doing? Fucking idiot.
This twit. At what point did he fucking indicate right?
Wait! Wait! What the fuck is wrong with you? Wait! What the fuck is wrong with you?
I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
Dips at 3 p.m. 3 some particular weekend started. Also the one that got away at 5 o'clock. In the middle though, we might be revisiting the old what have you noticed factory. So if you've noticed anything, get in touch now. Crumpets are getting bigger, so you're getting less crumpet per crumpet purchase. Plus also you're using more
See, that's the big conspiracy of the big crumpet and big condiments working together to screw the little man.
All owned by the toaster people.
I hate those toaster people.
Oh, this junkie.
Anyway, so get in touch if you've noticed anything. If anyone's noticed something, we'll do what have you noticed. If not, something else, Dave.
No, right. Well, boys, this seems like it's just going to be a classic freaking Friday show.
Buckle up.
Buckle up and get hungry because they're going to be kicking off your drive home with some dips. Boys, I'll let you get out of here, do the final preparation.
Are you okay, man?
Yeah, I'm great. I'm excited.
Oh, get nicked, mate.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
They're lost. Haven't been to Wall's End for years. Fucking everybody get on the TV now, the price of food's going up, everything's going up.
I hope no one else turns right here. Yeah, look, everyone's pissed at him, even I. Who's driving this car? Oh, it's...
Look at this way.
Oh. P-plater.
Yeah.
No, he looks confused, the guy next to us.
What's it doing?
And after Nam, I got into crop dusting, and been doing that ever since.